that hose, guys?
Yeah.
Get off the freaking hose, man.
Shit.
They all dying.
Huh?
They all fell out.
Did they?
Yeah, hit the bottom.
Wow. Get that can of spray. Hurry up.
Got it.
Stop spraying the bottom. Stop spraying the bottom. Come on. Get on there. Get a boy. I'm gonna keep it going.
Oh!
What?
Man, ash on me.
Down low, down low. That's flammable too, huh? That's nice stuff. Get another can. That stuff is beautiful.
It's pretty good, actually. It's
There's
doing.
cans in my front seat of my truck. You get that hose, Mike? Not yet. Get up, boy. Hey, easy. Don't kill myself. People are probably already calling the fire department.
CD. Yo, that thing is definitely done, man.
Yeah, how come it doesn't fall off, though? Wow. Oh, you see how thick that thing is?
2-inch walls.
Holy smokes, man. They should have had a building code for that. No, yeah, keep this from burning though. Okay, Mike. Listen, shh. Oh, keep it going.